5 tips for running a successful membership site. There are a lot of advantages to running a membership site, especially if the product you sell is content. Here are 5 tips that you can use for running a successful membership site that will continue to provide you with profits month after month. Offer a free trial period. To gain new members and give them a glimpse into what they can expect when they sign up for your membership site, you can offer a free membership or a trial period for a premium membership. Extending a trial period for premium membership is a great way to convert your users into paying customers. Provide a variety of membership options. Providing more than one membership option is a great thing for your subscribers. The number of membership options that you offer will depend on your business model and what you can provide. It is good to have various options that will match your target audience's needs and will give them a choice that will not only match their needs but their budget. It is recommended to have 2 to 3 membership options for an average membership site. Reward loyal members. Any business, whether brick and mortar or online, should reward their loyal customers with exclusive offers and rewards. Not only is this nice to receive when you use a product or service regularly, but it will also prompt members to upgrade to a specific membership level so they can obtain these incentives. Gather feedback from your members. All membership sites are driven by their community. Many times finding the sweet spot for customers is a process of trial and error. To continue to provide your members with the best possible experience, you need to continue to add material to your site that your members will find interesting and useful. You can ask your members to fill out a survey and see what members are saying about your site on the various social media platforms. Find a niche and crush it. Don't overcomplicate your membership site by trying to offer everything you can think of to reach a broader audience. If your membership site is for those wanting to get rid of household chemicals, stick with that. It is essential that you find what works and stick with it. Membership sites are great because they bring together like-minded people. They are a great way to generate passive, recurring income for your business or blog. Keep these 5 tips in mind as you start your first membership site.